Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Mr. Rabiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class nursery, and our today's topic is Tanween with double jabr from alif to dot. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 5 and is W number 5. My dear students, inshallah today we will learn what is called tanween, and also we will learn today Arabic alphabet from alif to dot with double jabr. Tanween with double jabr from alif to dot. So my dear students, let's start. At first look at the board. My dear students, look at the board. My dear students, what is called tanween? Yes, my dear students, you know that double jabr, double zer and double pesh are called tanween. That means double jabr, double zer and double pesh are called tanween. Double jabr, double zer and double pesh are called tanween. Okay, and the pronunciation of tanween is alif dui jabr an, alif dui zer in and alif dui pesh un. And my dear students, today we will learn tanween with double jabr. Tanween with double jabr from alif to dot. So my dear students, let's start. Now look at the board, my dear students. Here I have written 15 Arabic alphabet. You know that. Now we will learn, we will keep tanween. We'll keep tanween. Then now we will learn tanween with double jabr. We'll keep double jabr in every alphabet, Arabic alphabet. So my dear students, let's start. My dear students, you know that this one is alif. Now I'm keeping double jabr over the alif, double jabr. Now we have to pronunciation this one, alif dui jabr an, alif dui jabr an. Then this one is ba. Now I'm keeping, now I'm putting double jabr over the ba. Now we have to pronounce this. You have to pronounce this one, ba dui jabr ban, ba dui jabr ban. Now I'm putting double jabr over the ta. Then you have to pronunciation this one, ta dui jabr tan, ta dui jabr tan. Now my dear students, this one is ta. And now you have to pronunciation this. You have to pronounce this one, tha dui jabr than, tha dui jabr than. My dear students, you have to pronounce tha very softly like that, tha, tha. So you have to pronounce this one, tha dui jabr than. Okay, my dear students. Then this one is jim. If we put double jabr over the jim, that then you have to pronounce this one, jim dui jabr jan. Then my dear students, you know this one is ha. And now you have to pronounce this one, ha dui jabr han. And this one is kha, not kha, my dear students. Then you have to pronounce this one, kha dui jabr khan, kha dui jabr khan, not kha. Okay, then this one is dal. Now we have to pronounce this one, dal dui jabr dan, dal dui jabr dan. Then this one is dal. Now you have to pronounce this one, dal dui jabr dan, dal dui jabr dan. My dear students, tha and dal same makras. You have to pronounce tha and dal very softly, and you have to pronounce this one, dal dui jabr dan. Okay, now this one is raw, my dear students, raw, not ra. Now you have to pronounce this one, ra dui zabar ron, ra dui zabar ron. Then this one is za. Now I'm putting double zabar over the za. Now you have to pronounce this one, za dui zabar zan, za dui zabar zan. And you know that this one is sin. After giving double jabar, you have to pronounce this one, sin dui jabar san, sin dui jabar san. Then this one is shin, shin will be dashing sound by the students. After giving double jabar, you have to pronounce this one, shin dui jabar shan, shin dui jabar shan. Then this one is sod, and you have to pronounce this one, sod dui jabar son, sod dui jabar son. And this one, last one, number 15, dod dui jabar don, dod dui jabar don, dod dui jabar don. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have learned what is called tanween. Double jabar, double jir and double pesh are called tanween. And my dear students, today we have learned tanween with double jabar from alif to dot. And my dear student, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, today is our SW number 5, lecture number 5, and SW number 5. You will make SW at your home from alif to dot, like this pattern. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.